Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow has been catching some really good entries lately, so I wanted to show you guys exactly how it works and how you can set it up on your charts. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Wiezys Trading. If you're here, my name is Eric, and I build custom MT4 and MT5 indicators, and I'm also an active trader myself. On this channel, I will show different tools, indicators, and trading ideas that I personally test and use. Today I'm going to show you one of my indicators called Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow. And I'm going to walk you through how it works and how you can adjust the settings to fit your own trading style. Alright, let's jump over to the charts. Here's Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow on the M5 Euro USD. As you can see, some of these arrows are really good and some are not so hot. This arrow does not repaint at all. Once the candle closes, it back paints on the past candle, closed candle. So these arrows, once on the chart, after candle close, will always be there. Most indicators repaint, as a lot of traders out there know. This indicator does identify potential entries when certain RSI conditions line up. When these conditions are met, the indicator prints arrows on the chart showing possible buy and sell arrows. Let me show you what these signals look like on the chart. These arrows are non-repainting and are good on most time frames. You can customize these arrows in the settings. Let's take a look at these settings so you can customize the indicator and adjust it depending on how you like to trade. Right click, go to indicator list, click on it twice and bring it up. You can adjust two RSI periods. You can adjust two methods of moving averages also. Let's just change one of these moving averages down here in the second line and watch how the arrows change. As you can see, they did move a little bit in positions. Let's try changing one of the RSI values. As you can see, that changed the arrow positions quite rapidly. You can adjust these arrows for the time frames you like to trade. And we'll just mess with these settings a little bit just so you can understand how this kind of works. As you can see, that adjusts the arrows positions. Again, these arrows are non-repainting, and you can adjust them to the time frame you like. They do respond differently a little bit on all pairs, so adjust to what you like to trade. So that's the basic idea behind the Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow and how I personally use it when looking for trade setups. Like any indicator, it is always best to use together with proper risk management and other parts of complete trading plans. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I have a lot more indicators and trading tools coming up to the channel. If you have any questions or want me to test different settings with this indicator, drop a comment below and let me know. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and trade at your own risk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.